You've seen the glossy ads and the 2-minute success stories. Dropshipping, trading, Amazon FBA, crypto flips, Kindle tricks, influencer sponsorships, everything promising overnight riches. But the reality is harsher. Most of those options need big upfront capital, real expertise, or months, sometimes years, of work before you see a reliable dollar. And that's before the emotional burnout, inventory headaches, ad costs, or market volatility kick in. I'm not here to trash those paths. They absolutely can work for some people. But if you're asking which approach gives the best result to effort ratio for a normal person who wants something real, fast, and scalable, there's one clean answer I've tested again and again: newsletters. Now, don't roll your eyes and click away from this video so quickly. Just hear me out first, then decide for yourself, as this isn't for your grandma's email list. A modern newsletter is a media business you own. It's intimate, it lands in people's inboxes, and it gives you direct access to an audience without depending on an algorithm that can disappear overnight. I've experienced the algorithm turn against me many times before, and that's when I stumbled across the newsletter business. The advantage is simple: audience ownership. Social platforms change rules, shadow ban you, or tank your reach, whereas your email list is yours. The audience is yours. You can build a brand, sell directly, run ads, push affiliates, offer paid tiers, and even launch products, all from that one channel. So, let's get to the action and stop wasting time. The platform I recommend is Beehiiv. There's a link in the description below so you can get started right away. But let me first explain why this is the best solution for you at this point in time. Firstly, it's properly built for creators who want to scale and is free to use up to 2,500 subscribers, so you don't pay a penny while you're growing. In the free tier, you also get the following features which are unheard of in the newsletter space: a custom website that gets you a real brand presence without coding, custom newsletters, campaign analytics, so you actually understand what's working, unlimited email sends, a recommendation network to tap into growth, optimized deliverability, so your messages actually hit inboxes, custom domains, and API access when you want automation. In short, it's an all-in-one stack. You can send emails, host a slick website, and manage monetization from one dashboard, which means you can build a professional business from day one without a tech team. With the link in the description below, if you sign up today, you'll receive a 30-day trial plus 20% off for the 3 months on paid plans. Now, don't get that confused with the free plan, as I'll explain more about what you get on paid plans throughout the rest of this video. So, how do you actually start and make money fast? First, pick a tight niche, not business, but something specific like budget travel for students, AI tools for solo marketers, or simple plant care for apartment dwellers. Tight niches mean easier growth and much easier sponsor pitches. Next, sign up to Beehiiv. Pick a clean template and launch a landing page. Create a small lead magnet, a one-page checklist, or a quick PDF guide to bump your conversion rate. Decide your cadence. Weekly hits the sweet spot for most people. And commit to short, human emails with one clear takeaway each time. Write like you speak. Short paragraphs, one idea per email, and always give value before you ask for anything. Even with just a few hundred engaged subscribers, you can pitch small companies for sponsorship slots. Tell them who your audience is, your open rates, and offer a trial sponsorship, or add relevant affiliate links in your issues that convert, because emails are personal and high trust. If advertisers aren't ready to buy from you yet, Beehiiv's paid features unlock instant monetization. They provide ads you can place in your newsletter for CPC or CPM payouts. CPC means cost per click, where you get paid each time someone clicks the ad. So if the CPC is $3 and 50 people click, that's 50 times $3, which equals $150. While CPM means cost per melee, where you get paid for impressions, for example. For every 1,000 views your newsletter gets, you would receive a set CPM payout, such as $6 or more, depending on what you agreed on with the advertiser. Between the two monetization types, CPC pays better when readers are likely to click a clear call to action. CPM rewards you when your emails get lots of opens and views. Beehiiv also offers something called boosts, where you promote other newsletters and get paid per subscriber when someone signs up through your link. Payouts vary. Some boosts pay about $1.50 per new subscriber, while others pay $4 and above. So you can pick what fits your audience. Those boost payouts can cover your subscription costs and even make the platform effectively free, which is a huge risk-free advantage. Beyond that, you can add premium paid subscriptions for exclusive content, offer mini courses or digital products to your most engaged readers, or sell services once you've built trust. The point is to mix revenue streams so you're not dependent on one source. Practically, here's a day-one plan you can follow. Choose your niche, set up Beehiiv in your landing page. Create a quick 1 to 2 page lead magnet. Schedule your first 3 issues. so you look consistent, and reach out to 3 potential sponsors or affiliate partners once you hit a small baseline of engaged signups. Use your analytics, open rates, click-throughs, subject line performance to double down on what works, iterate fast, and replicate high-performing topics. Promotion is easy. Post short teasers on your socials, add the sign-up link to your bio, repurpose one email into a carousel or short video, and collaborate with adjacent newsletters for cross-promos. If you want a more in-depth strategy on how to grow your subscriber list, drop a like and comment below. And if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll drop all the secrets in a separate video. Realistic expectations. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's one of the fastest, lowest-cost ways to own an audience and monetize it. With consistent value and a bit of promotion, you can reach a few hundred engaged subs in weeks, and that's often enough to earn meaningful side income or to tap into boost payouts immediately. For example, imagine a newsletter about tips for SaaS founders that sends 2 concise, high-value emails per week. With 800 engaged subscribers, you can sell a monthly sponsored slot or run a couple of boost promotions and easily cover your costs and make healthy income on top. Then scale that. Add paid tiers or a short digital product, and it becomes a real business. One last thing. If you want a full walkthrough, I can record a setup tutorial on how to configure Beehiiv. Build the landing page, create a lead magnet, and launch your first issue step by step. Comment setup below if you want that, and I'll make it. And if you want ongoing practical tool recommendations and real case breakdowns, subscribe to my newsletter Blank to Bank, link in the description. That's where I share the tools, testing, and the real tactics that actually move the needle. Bottom line, if you're ready to start something you control, sign up with the link in the description below. Pick your niche, and let's get your first issue out this week.